All right, you guys, in this video, we're going to learn about addition with carrying. And first, we're going to review the way that you write your steps. You got to have a clean piece of paper. You got to give this math the intention that it deserves. All right. So don't write it on tiny scraps of paper. Don't write it upside down, crooked, diagonal, sideways, sloppy handwriting, all that nonsense. That's not what we're going to do. In addition to all of that, we want to have these nice columns that show you, that line it up with like the ones column and the tens column, all that kind of stuff. So it's not going to be floating out over here. It's not going to be over here where you can't tell which column it's even in. We need to have nice, neat columns like this, okay? Not this, this, yeah? It seems like a small difference, but it's going to be really, really critical as we get bigger and bigger numbers, yeah? So now we learn the process. What do we do in this process? First, we're going to start with our ones column. 7 plus 5. You guys can follow along in your heads, think of the answer, right? 7 plus 5 is 12. We are going to place the 2 and carry the 1, all right? So we put the 2 in the ones place, and this 1 is going to go as part of the tens, because 12 has like a 10 and then a 2, right? The 2 is going to be like in the ones digit, and the 10 needs to go into the tens column. So we put that 1 in the tens column. Now, notice that this thing is in the tens column. It's not like floating out over here like some crazy nonsense, all right? Again, the way you do your steps matters. Not this, not this. This is silly. This is what's going to get you the right answer every single time. From here, what do? Well, we just do 2 plus 1, so we're going to add up that tens column. 2 plus 1 is 3. There we go. Our final answer is 32. Yeah? Now, let's do one more practice problem for good measure. We have 57 plus 8. What are we going to do first? Add our ones column. So 8 plus 7, that is 15. We're going to place the 5 down there, carry the 1 into the tens column, not like over here or like anywhere kind of nonsense. We're going to put it right up on top of that 5, directly in that column. And then we can add 5 plus 1, okay, 6. That's pretty easy, yeah? And then you get 65. This is how you do this process. Remember that we do start out with the smaller numbers. It is going to get harder. You'll have more and more numbers and things like that. So make sure you practice your mechanics very carefully in these easier questions. That way, when it gets harder, your mechanics are just totally there for you. Fluid, strong, solid. Your skills should work for you so that you can work smarter, not harder. Make your life easier, yeah? All right, guys, get ready to rock it. I'll see you in the next video.